Okay, so let's get hold of the colour shaper. Now we've got to blend this because I hadn't done that. It's got to be smoother than that. But I'm hoping that what I can do is to create the appearance of that crease in the shadows, and then we can extend it. It's working. Right, now I switch colour shapers, otherwise we'll be dragging the black on. And what we do with this now, we'll use this colour shaper to spread that, and then we don't want it to be too obvious. Now, having done that, we've now got to lighten that up a little bit there. With preferably 3-2, it would always be just slightly interfering with that shadow, because it would come down, go up, that sort of idea. I might not be able to do this in one go, so I may have to do it. So, but it also needs to have some red here, so that would show up more, and a little bit more, I think, there. Some grey as well. But what we want really, when we get to here, is we want this to fade away, because the crease peters out when it gets to there. Okay, now what do we do about this? Well, I would suggest what we do is we use a colour shaper now. What we don't want to do is put more colour on, so we can use a colour shaper just to almost take it off. See that? It's almost rubbing it out, but you're not actually rubbing it out. What you're doing is using a colour shaper to remove it, and it's ending up on there, doesn't it? Now that's pretty good. I think you'll agree that that does look quite attractive. I've got a bit of work to do. I've got to make this a little more blend it a little more, and also I shall have to put some colour in it. I'm going to put the 192 in. I'd already put some of it in, but we need a bit more now. Red. Sorry, to black. Black's important, but it can be a bit harsh. But that now looks quite nice. I've also put some blue in here. Now, I put blue using the 157, and that worked really well. So we can continue that and bring that across. But the other thing I'm just wondering whether I can try, this is a bit risky, is putting the lighter blue in as well. It will just give it just a little bit of bloom, which it does. I like that. So I will continue a little bit further. Now, down here is almost finished. So what I would do there is I will just clean this off a bit. I'll just finish this off. As I say, it is, to all intents and purposes, finished. I may add a touch of red, I don't know, but I quite like that. It's got to be smoother than I've got it there, though. I just thought I'd show you the finishing touches that I put on this. And again, this can be, you can always put a little bit of white in if you need to. Put quite a bit of white in there. Anyway, to just make it more mottled. And I think that's as far up as we can go. And then I've already started the ball rolling over here. Let me show you. Here, I might have pulled away a bit. Make sure I get all this in. I've already started the ball rolling here and the ball rolling here. So let me do this over here, because it's basically the same on both sides. So let me just show you how this works out.